Hi guys, NeoBux is one of the most reliable and popular PTC sites. They have been paying since 2008. Let's see how to make money with NeoBux. Our first option is view advertisements. Click this one. And there are different type of advertisements, fixed advertisements, mini advertisement. Right now I don't have any mini advertisement, so just click this one and then click the red circle and then you wait for 5 seconds. So I got $0.001. $0.001 were credited in your account. So close now and you can click the second one, so you can finish all this. So ad price is it is a game. Let's see how to play the game. Again you wait for 5 seconds. So advertisement validated, nothing on this time, good luck next time. So I didn't win anything this time. However, recently I won 50 cents, so you can try your luck. Service. So our second option is service. Services are not available in all the countries, so if it is not available in your country, then you will get a message. Our third option is games. Reward per game session, $0.001. Let's see how to play a game. There are different type of games: word game, card game, arcade game, puzzles game, strategy game. So you can select one of these. You can try different things, and maybe you have already played some of these games. So however, at least you need to play one game for 2 minutes. Another thing is they show you an advertisement just before game starts, so don't skip that advertisement. Please watch that advertisement too, because that's how they make money. Otherwise your account will not be credited. That's our third option. The fourth option is coins. Coins is the offer award. So here you can download apps, mobile apps, and then play games. So they pay you for that. However, coins will be credited to your account 60 days after the offer is validated. So they don't pay you straight away. They wait till 60 days, and then once the offer is validated, they will pay you. If that is okay with you, then you can do this. So the forum is where you can post your questions and get answers. FAQ is the frequently asked questions. And let's go back to summary. So I have a standard membership, and also I have right now 24 entered referrals. This is important because if you try to make money with NeoBux, just by viewing advertisement would not be enough. Definitely you have to rent referrals. That's how you make profit. So you at the very beginning you won't make that much of money, so you wait until you make at least $1 or $2. Then you rent 3 referrals. One referral cost $0.2. One pack cost $0.6. One pack has 3 referrals. So because when you rent referrals, you have to think about renewing cost too, because one referral is valid only for 30 days. So you have to renew these referrals. So it costs you again $0.2 per referral. So you need to have at least $1 in your account balance. So always, another thing is keep eye on these referrals, whether they are active or inactive. If they are inactive for more than 14 days, NeoBux recycle them for you. They don't charge you anything. And I think that's all. I hope you got an idea. You can do more research, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching, and happy earning. Thank you. Bye.